There is a lot of money to be made, guys, so hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. When we finish this video, you'll be able to get yourself a nice monthly paycheck, so let's go and do it. First website that you have to visit, guys, it is called Userfield.com, and it's a user testing tool, okay? You have 150,000 qualified testers and you have 500 plus happy clients. Really, a lot of money is in here, and all you have to do is to invest a bit of your time. No hard work. This is really easy. Userfield.com is offering you plenty of money if you just want to invest your time in it. Just take a look at this, guys. Become a tester and earn $3 to $30 per test. You can see that each test lasts 5 to 60 minutes and is completed with your computer, tablet, or smartphone. So you can see that this is really easy and it can be quick. So for example, you will get $3 if you get this test, which lasts 5 minutes, okay? And you will get $30 if you do these 60 minutes test, or maybe 50 minutes. That's gonna be like that, for example. But let's say you get $30 for 60-minute test, so that's 1 hour, right? And if you do 4 of these during 1 day, so that's 4 hours per day, you get 120 bucks. Now, that is a lot of money, okay? That is a lot of money, 120 bucks in 4 hours of your little work. And guys, if you do this for, I don't know, 30 days in a month, so each day in a month, that's huge amount of money, guys. Huge amount of money. You just have to invest your time and you have to go and test different websites. It's so easy. You have an example user test here and you can watch this video to see what it's all about. Basically, you're gonna go and you're just gonna go and visit certain websites and then they will give you some tasks. So you have to go and test, for example, when you see this, for example, they will tell you just search for black mini skirt. And of course, you will just write down what you have saw. Is there any problems? Is the website functioning at all? Is all good? And then you just give them the report and it's all done in 60 minutes, okay? But of course, there are these easy tests for $3 and those last for only 5 minutes, okay? Of course, this will work all around the world. So if you live in Africa, if you live in South America, if you live in Australia, wherever, guys, you can get that money wherever you live. And I highly suggest that you do this, guys, because it is so easy, it is so profitable, and it is no work at all. All you will have to do, guys, is to complete something which is similar to this video. It is really easy. You can see here some valuable information, guys. So what are you doing? They will usability test certain websites. You will just get this scenario and you will perform certain tasks, okay? So just take a look at this, like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process, okay? It's really easy. And above all, you can get a lot of money, guys. So hit that subscribe button right now. And for example, guys, one of the jobs that I've got on here is to visit Amazon.com and to find certain ebooks, okay? So all that I did, I was just searching for ebooks, okay? Or audiobooks or whatever. They just tell me what to search for. So for example, I don't remember exactly, but it was like this, for example, Over Her Dead Body. And I just go and I just, for example, I want to order this one, okay? So I'll just go on pre-order, but of course you don't have to pay for it. You don't have to go and you don't have to go and really order this page because, guys, this is just a test, okay? You can see it in here. Do testers need to buy products or services from the websites they test? And the answer is no, guys. You may be asked to go through the checkout process of an online stores, but most of the time the scenarios will ask you to stop before clicking on the final submit button, okay? In any case, you should not enter your real credit card details while performing a test. So guys, you only get money on this website. You will never have to lose money, okay? You don't buy anything, you just invest your time and the money is yours. You can see in here that you need to have certain equipment in order to be a tester, and in order to test websites and get paid, you need to have a Windows or Mac computer, or you can do this on your mobile phone, okay? If you have Windows machine, you need to have Windows 7 or newer, okay? And what is really interesting, guys, is that you do not have to use your real name while conducting a test, okay? You should use fake details while conducting a test, so it's a nice option. You don't have to give them your identity, okay? So it's a really good option. You have some things in here that they do not want you to do, and they have some things that they need you to do. So for example, you don't want to go around and say everything is okay? You don't want to go and flatter the site. However, if you are really impressed with something, you can say so, okay? And of course, you will always need to speak loudly and clearly into the microphone when you are testing. And of course, you don't have to show your face, okay? It is just screen recording, okay? Just screen record and you will get that money. You can just perform that in a quiet place, and that's what you have to do, and you have to provide useful comments. And it's really easy, guys. Once you get the hang of it, it is really easy. You can just click on this button, become a tester, and that's it. All you have to do is to complete this simple information about yourself. So first name, last name, email, address, choose a country of residence. So you can choose any country from this list. You can see all of the world's countries are in here, guys. And of course, you have to choose how would you like to get paid. So you can choose PayPal. That's the only thing. So guys, of course, you should have PayPal account. That's needed. Just make yourself an account. It's going to be very easy. Just click on sign up, make this personal account, click on continue, and then that money is going to go to your PayPal account, and then you do whatever you want with it. So this is the amount of money that is possible to get with the 60 minutes test. $3.6 thousand, guys. That's a nice amount of money. Even if you get half, like $1.8 thousand each month, that's a really good option. Really good option. And since you have to record your screen, I have a nice option for you, and this is called OBS Studio, okay? It's free and open source software for video recording and live streaming, okay? So you don't have to pay for this software. It is free. I'm using it right now as the matter of case, guys. It is a really good software. Never had any problems with it. Really listens to me and I'll listen to him. And of course, I record everything with it. It is really user-friendly, easy to use, and you will be satisfied with it. Also, I need to tell you that in order to become a tester, you need to register, of course, as I've told you, and you need to take the qualification test. And don't you worry, it is just easy test. So for example, you will get certain website like Amazon or eBay, and that test will be like 5 or 10 minutes, okay? So what you will do on that test is the similar task that you already get on Userfield websites, okay? It's really easy, and your qualification will get approved between 7 and 15 days. It's a really good option, guys. Really good option. There is a lot of money to be made here, and I definitely suggest that you try it, okay? Userfield.com is your friend, so go and use it, and I'll catch you later.